students, how are you today? In this lesson, we will solve some exercises in lesson 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Write each of the following ratios in its simplest form. Number 1, 2.5 to 2.75. To simplify this ratio, we should cancel the decimal point. Okay? Here the decimal point after 1 digit. Here the decimal point after 2 digits. So to cancel this decimal point, we will multiply the two terms by 100. Multiply the two terms by 100. Now, 2.5 multiply 100 equals 250. 2.75 multiply 100 equal 275. Okay? Here we can simplify this ratio by divide the two terms by the highest common factor between them, which is 25. 250 divide 25 equals 10. And 275 divide 25 equals 11. And you can use your calculator to check your answer by writing 2.5 divide 2.75. The result will be 10 over 11, which is 10 to 11. Okay? Number 2, 1 and 2/3 to 3 over 4. To simplify this ratio, convert the mixed number into improper fraction by multiplying the whole number 1 by the denominator 2, then add the result to the numerator, by the denominator 3, then add the result to the numerator 2, okay? 1 multiply 3 equals 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5, and the denominator 3 still as it, okay? 3 over 4 is still as it. Now, if the two terms of the ratio are fractions, we can use cross multiplication, okay? Multiply 4 by 5 equals 20. And multiply 3 by 3 equals 9. And the ratio 20 to 9 in the simplest form because there is no common factor between 20 and 9. Number 3, 250 gram to half kilogram, okay? To simplify this ratio, we should make the two terms the same unit, okay? So we will convert from kilogram to gram by multiplying half by 1000. So half kilogram equal half multiply 1000 equals 500 grams. Or we know that half kilogram equal 500 gram, okay? So 250 gram to 500 gram. Now cancel this unit because the ratio between two quantities has no unit. So 250 to 500, we have common factor between them, which is 10. 250 divide 10 equals 25. 500 divide 10 equals 50. We have another common factor between them, which is 5. Divide them by 5. 25 divide 5 equals 5. And 50 divide 5 equal 10. Also, we have another common factor between 5 and 10 because 5 and 10 are the simplest form. Divide them by 5 again. 1, 2, 10 divide 5 equals 2. Or we can divide here by 25 to make it one step, okay? Number 4, 16 qirat to 1 fiddan, okay? To convert from fiddan to qirat, multiply by 24. So 1 fiddan equal 1 multiply 24 equals 24 qirats. So 1 fiddan equal 24 qirats. So 16 qirat to 24 qirats. Cancel the unit. Then divide the 16 and 24 by the highest common factor, which is 8. 16 divide 8 equals 2. and 24 divide 8 equal 3. So this ratio in the simplest form is 2 to 3. Number 5, 125 piasters to 5 and 1/4 pounds. We will convert pound to piaster to make the two terms the same unit. Multiply pound by 100. So 5 and 1/4 multiply 100 equal 525 piasters. Okay? Now 125 to 125 piasters to 5 and 1/4 equal 525. Okay, cancel. Cancel this point. Now divide the two terms by 25. 125 divide 25 equals 5. And 525 divide 25 equals 21. So this ratio in its simplest form is 5 to 21. Example, the ratio between the area of two pieces of length is 5 to 9. If the area of one of them more than the area of one of them more than the other by 132 meters squared, find the area of each land. Here he gave us the ratio. He gave us the ratio between the two pieces, the area of the two pieces. So first piece 2, second piece, the ratio between them 5 to 9, 5 to 9. Okay? If the area of one of them is more than the other, and more than is the keyword of difference, so we will add, we need to add difference. And the difference between 5 and 9 is 4. Okay? And the real difference is 132 meters squared. So put the real difference in the third line, 132. Now we can make cross multiplication to find the area of each piece. So area of first piece equal 5 multiply 132 divide 4. 5 multiply 132 divide 4 equal 165 meters squared. 165 meters squared. Okay? Area of the second piece equal 9 multiply 132. 9 multiply 132 divide by 4 equal 297 meters squared. And to check your answer, subtract these two areas, 297 minus 165. 7 minus 5 equals 2, 9 minus 6 equals 3, and 2 minus 1 equals 1, 132. Okay? Another example, if the ratio between the measures of two acute angles in a right-angled triangle is 7 to 11. The ratio between two acute angles in a right-angled triangle 7 to 11. Find the measure of each of them. Okay? In a right angled triangle, we have one right angle and two acute angles, okay? And the sum of the interior angles of any triangle equals 180, okay? In the right angled triangle, we have one angle 90 degree, one right angle with measure 90 degree. So the sum of the two acute angles is 90 degree. Then the sum of two acute angles in any right angled triangle equals 90 degree. To find the measure of each of them, he gave us the ratio between the two angles. So first angle to second angle, the ratio between them 7 to 11. 7 to 11. Okay? And we know the sum of these two acute angles, so we will add sum. 7 plus 11 equals 18. And put the real sum in the third line. Now we can find the measure of each angle. First angle equal, make cross multiplication, 7 multiply 9 divide 18. 7 multiply 9 divide 18 equal 90, 7 multiply 90 divide 18 equal 35 degrees. And the second angle equal 11 multiply 90 divide 18. 11 multiply 90 divide 18 equal 55 degrees. Again, he gave us the ratio between two acute angles in a right angled triangle. Okay? And the sum of any two acute angles in any right angled triangle equals 90 degrees. So the first angle to second angle to sum, the ratio between them 7 to 11, and their sum 7 plus 11 equals 18, and the real sum 90 degrees. Okay? Now we can make cross multiplication to find the first angle. 7 multiply 90 divides 18 equals 35. Also 11 multiply 90 divide 18 equals 55. And if we add 35 plus 55, the sum equals 90. Okay? Now try to answer this example by yourself. Then you check your answer. The ratio between two numbers is 7 to 12. He gave us the ratio between two numbers, 7 to 12. Find the two numbers if their sum is 76. Okay? He gave us the ratio between two numbers. So we have first number to second number. And those will give us the sum of these two numbers, so add sum. In the second line, in the first line we add the names, in the second line add the ratios, the ratio between the two numbers 7 to 12. 7 to 12. Here 7 plus 12 equals 19. And in the third line we add the real value. The sum between the sum of these two numbers 76. Now we can make cross multiplication to find the first number. First number equal 7 multiply 76 divides 19. 7 multiply 76 divides 19. Equal 28. And the second number multiply 76. 12 multiply 76 divide 19 equal 48. Now to check your answer, add these two numbers. 28 plus 48 8 plus 8 equals 16. 6 and carry up 1. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 76. Okay? I hope you understood this lesson. Now this is your homework. Study well and answer this homework. Okay? Here the ratio between the height of a building and the height of the Cairo Tower is 4/15. If the height of the building is 48, the height of the building is 48, find the height of the Cairo Tower. Thank you.